Yeah, we used to have to do our tires ourselves back in the day. We're a little bit spoiled now. They have a good crew that basically takes care of us. Motorcycle started from my father when I was a kid. I had a love for it, and then I just became friends with a kid by the name of Tyler Evans. Enjoyed the road and the time, and as 25 years ago. Marv's kind of became like a son to me, I would say. I care for him like a son. I hope one day people get to see the funny, cool side of him, because they go to the races and they get pretty serious, and he's a good kid with a really good heart. Dunlop gives us a platform to try to win races and championships. I just want to say thank you to Dunlop for everything they do. And